Welcome back to Kids Fun Science. My name's Ken. Today's experiment is the hot air balloon experiment. As always, adult supervision is required. What you need for this experiment is a tissue paper or a plastic bag, a glue stick, scissors, and a hair dryer.
Hi, and welcome back to Kids Fun Science. My name is Grace and Ken, and today we are doing the hot air balloon experiment, how heat rises.
So Grace is setting up on the base here, or the rim, the metal wire gets hooked on these clamps right here. And then you don't need this, but this just helps hold it down. And then I'm gonna take a hair dryer with hot, and we're gonna fill it up, and then we're gonna launch it off from there. It's filling up. Grace is there. And we're gonna give it a countdown. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. All the way up to the ceiling. There it goes. It's about 20 feet. Now as the cool air starts to come out of the balloon, it will slowly descend, just like a real hot air balloon. Grace is coming around. It's coming up. There it goes. Down it goes. And success. Nice. Let's do it one more time.
Sure.
All right. So here's the homemade tissue hot air balloon that I made, and I show you at the end of the video how to make that. I'm also using a heat gun, which is very hot. You could also use a hair dryer, but I had to come outside because the inside air was too hot with the hot air. There's my cat making a cameo, and so therefore the tissue paper weighed more than the plastic bag, and it wouldn't rise inside the house. So with the cool air outside and the heat gun adding a little extra heat, I probably could have got away with the hair dryer. We'll see if we can actually launch this, and there it goes. I don't know if I'm going to get this back. Oh no. It's going up. Oh no, it launched over the house. It landed on the roof. There it goes. Don't get caught. Down it. All right, here's the instructions on how to make your own hot air balloon out of tissue paper. So here's the dimensions here. It's in inches and centimeters. Go ahead and freeze that. I bought 2 packs of 12 sheets of tissue paper, 20 by 20 or 58.8 centimeters. Then you're just going to cut those out once you get the 3 pieces like you see here. Then you're going to take a glue stick, or you can use tape, and then you just kind of put it right at the end, and then you repeat this 5 more times. Then you're going to take your glue stick again, and you're going to just run the end of one of the sides, and you're going to take a second piece, and you're going to continue to do that with a glue gun until you get all the way to the end. As you can see, I'm just doing about 1/3 of the paper at a time, and you kind of just pull it up to arc all the way there, and it should even out right there. Then you're going to repeat that 5 more times, and here's your end results. This is your hot air balloon, and the hole in the bottom is a little too big, so I made a 7-inch circle, and then I kind of just taped it on with some painter's tape so I could take it off later. Here is my first attempt with a tissue hot air balloon, as I ended up going outside because it was too hot inside with the heater on and the hot air, and it just did not want to float because of the weight of the tissue paper. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please share and like. Thanks for watching.